Process mining is a powerful tool to discover and analyze information on processes hidden away in the digital data we already have in companies. With Process Science's cross-platform solutions, the process perspective becomes a natural extension of Qlik Sense applications. Process Science extends the familiar and powerful BI applications built on Qlik Sense by seamlessly adding tools to analyze and filter on events, relations, and times between events. This is a visualization of the order-to-cash process of an automotive manufacturer. On the left side are some familiar Qlik Sense components, whereas on the right side we see a visualization of the process using a visual extension developed by Process Science. In the process visualization we can spot two major paths that have been discovered by Process Science. We call them process variants. There's a process variant for orders of a large automotive company, and there's a process variant for orders of garages and repair shops. We can easily spot the main difference. The orders of the automotive company are taking a slightly different path, skipping some events. There's another very visible difference. The automotive company seems to place large orders that are, on average, delivered much later than other orders. But these two variants are what we may find when interviewing the owners of the process, so to begin with this presentation we filtered on just these main variants. In reality we find a lot more process variants in our company, some of which we may not even be aware of. So let's remove the filter and show all we can find. Now that is way more interesting. We can now further explore the process and filter on events, transitions and KPIs, either with the tools Qlik Sense provides or with visualizations Process Science provides. For example, let's see all the orders that have a delivery event, but no payment event. We just select the event delivery and filter on that. This seems to occur in all cases in the data. Then we select the event payment and filter on all cases that don't have this event. With Process Science you can define what KPIs and measures will be shown in the process visualization. It's just working as expected with the measures you defined in Qlik Sense. We can now switch to a sheet that shows more information on the orders to check the orders in detail. This, again, works just as intended in Qlik Sense, so our selection is carried over. The visualization on this sheet knows about our target processes or happy paths. The event payment is of course on the happy path, but, since we told Qlik to filter on the cases that don't have this event, it is marked as missing from the orders in the selection. On the right we have a regular Qlik Sense pivot table, to drill down to each single order in our current selection. To further understand these process variants we can make use of the variance analyzer. We can either just compare the variants or further drill down, for example to discover compliance problems by filtering on cases that have or don't have specific combinations of events. Process Science seamlessly adds powerful new capabilities to existing, familiar BI applications and, since its foundation are market-leading business intelligence products like Qlik Sense, Power BI and Tableau, it is an excellent tool to start process mining today without locking yourself into additional tools.